Hi everyone, Miss Sue here from the Upper Arlington Public Library. Since we can't have story time together in the library, the Youth Services staff have made some fun videos for you. So check all of those out while you're at home. Also, grown-ups, you can go to our website at ualibrary.org to check out books, music, movies, and magazines while we're still closed. And our Instagram and Facebook pages have some fun resources as well. I miss all of you. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you soon. Hello, welcome back. Before we get started, I want to show you something over at the window. Come with me and you can look and listen. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Okay, we're back from the window. What did you see? What did you hear? Yes, it's a rainy day. I love rainy days. I love watching the rain fall. I love listening to the rain, and I love smelling the rain. Do you like to jump in rain puddles? Well, I thought I'd share some rainy day rhymes with you, and then stick around because I'll show you how to make a rain stick sensory bottle. And then you can make the rain sound anytime you want. Rain is falling down. You can help me by making a big clap when we say splash. Let's try it. Rain is falling down. Splash! Rain is falling down. Splash! Pitter patter, pitter patter, rain is falling down. Splash! Rain on the green grass. We are going to let the rain fall to the grass. Make a tree with our arms. Make a roof with our arms. And make an umbrella over our heads. Let's try. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the rooftop, but not on me. Let's do it again. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. Great job, everyone. Oh, I'm ready for a walk in the rain. I have my rain boots and I have my umbrella. What do you wear when you go out in the rain? Bye, everyone. I'll see you soon.